Hello everyone, this is Awais Rahman and right now I'm in the Grand Chick Poultry Farm, Wakhan, Pakistan. So in this video today I will show you that which type of duties an internies should have to do. Okay, so my duties start from 6 am up to 12 am and so I will share my daily routine with you people. So when I enter into the farm, the first thing I will have to measure the temperature and humidity. So I will show you the device through which the humidity and temperature could be calculated or observed. Look at this. This is the temperature and humidity level. But the optimum temperature and humidity is temperature shouldn't increase from more than 30 degrees C or you can say 95 degree Fahrenheit, and the humidity should I think 70% humidity is required for poultry. Okay, the second thing which I do is weighting of the poultry human on the weighting of the poultry on daily basis. So after the arrival of the chicks, the weight of the chick was 40 gram. Okay, but now today is the first day, I mean the day first, so I will measure the weight of the chick. Like what is the weight of the chick right now. So you people can see the weight of the chick on day first was 50 gram, and I have observed that day by day the weight of the chick increased by 10 grams. Okay, in spite of that, other duties or feed is most important. When the workers are putting feeds in the feeders, you will have to know that how much amount of feed they are put in the feeders, and the drinkers, you will have to notice that how much water comes to the chicks. And other duties include my supervisor give me the charge to do an research on the poultry chicks, and the research was that according to him, select 3 chicks, like grade 1 which is more active, grade 2 which is less active, and grade 3 which is lazy one. So you will have to mark 3 chicks on the ballpoint like ABC, and then you will have to note that after how much time the chick is going for feeding, after how much time the chick is going for drinking, and after how much time the chick is resting. So these are the duties. And one important thing, you will have to know that which type of medicine the worker are using during day first, day second, day third, and you will have to know the brooding area. And lights, you will have to observe that how much lights are off and how much lights are on their first, day second, day third. Also the ventilators, the role of the ventilators is really important. Okay, and temperature, if the temperature is little low, then you will have to on the brooder. Brooder is a device which increases the temperature, and it works on the diesel. Okay, so these are the major events which you will have to perform during your internship. Okay, so I think that's it. Thanks for watching.